Excuse me. Yes. Hi. Welcome to this video. How you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing all well. And um, so today's video is a video of um, doing in a paper airplane. You know, and thank you very much for watching this video. Uh, So I'm gonna be just begin to do the paper plane today. For any job or any work, one needs to have some uh, a beverage to drink, preferably water. And I do have water here for my workout. Just kidding. For my work that I'm gonna be doing with the paper um, plane that I'm gonna be working on. Anything working, and stuff. It's good to have liquids or water, and stuff. So that's good. So yeah. Yes. So anybody could have it. Anybody could have this. It's a notebook. It's a regular notebook. You could find it at supermarkets and stores, local stores. Um, I believe so. So like you know, so um, yes, stores should have them. You know, superstores, of course, they have them. So you could have a notebook that to have sheets of paper to do craft things. Craft, and one can do a lot of stuff with a notebook, with a sheet of paper, like I'm gonna take from here, and just just like that, I got a piece of paper from the um, the, the the notebook. So I'm just gonna put this in order here. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, so this is my crafting notebook. Uh, People who have crafting notebooks, yeah, and stuff. So it's good. So I'm just gonna make this piece of paper nice and clean. You know, uh, take out all the rough edges. And I'll be all set here. That's good. Yeah. All right. So I got my clean piece of paper here, and 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 this sheet of paper is from the notebook. So the notebook, you know, um, you could find it for less than $5 at a regular store, um, um, in your one's local town or city. They should have it. And yeah, so I got a nice sheet of paper here that I'm gonna do the paper plane with. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is the paper plane, and I have a sheet of paper. It's nice and shaped up, clean and stuff. So it's good. And yeah, so I'm gonna be folding it in half for the paper plane. There we go. And this paper plane is not gonna be short. It's not gonna be small. It's gonna be a full size paper plane. Yeah. So that's good. Uh, you know. Um, so basically, I fold it in half as so as it is. Then I'm gonna fold one side of the paper, of the top of the paper, as a triangle, and the other top of the paper as another triangle. So yeah. So, yeah. Yep. So there we go. Just like that. Like it looks like a house, you know. Looks like a building house, a house. So now I'm gonna be let's see, folding the one side of the um, of the sheet of paper, and another section uh, of it, um, and the, you know, of it, um, one side as a triangle too, you know, you, just just like that, you know. Yeah. So I folded one. I folded and folded. Yeah. Okay. All right. So okay. So now um, I'm gonna be folding it again. Well, I think. Well, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be folding it again. So those 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 that. So there we go. So it's gonna be aerodynamic. You know, it's gonna be aerodynamic. So it's gonna fly, hopefully long distance. You know. So I folded it one side, then the other side. Yeah. Just like that. It's like it looks like a triangle. See. So I folded it and folded it and folded it. So it's good. Now I'm gonna be folding it in half, and one side of the flap I'm gonna be folding it in half, one side. So that will be good here. All right. Yes, like that. Yes, just like that. Fold and fold and fold. So I'm gonna do the other side too. Okay. So it looks like a very thin triangle, but once you open it and straighten the wings of the paper airplane, it should be so very good. So I finished my aerodynamic airplane over here, and is looking very good, and it should fly a long distance because it is actually an aerodynamic airplane, paper airplane. So that's good. So we can try it out now. So I'm finished. This is how the product is. You know, so I'm gonna be flying it through there. Yeah, it looks good. It flies as much as it is, and yeah, so it's good. Uh, yeah, so I made myself a paper airplane, an aerodynamic paper airplane. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. I hope that this video brings a smile to your face and stuff, to everybody's face, in other words. And thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next one. I finished my paper airplane. I'm very happy of it. Yeah. So see you in the next video. Bye.